Welcome to my channel. My name is Femi Akinwale. I'm a chartered accountant. I've worked in an insurance and finance company for more than 25 years. If today you are just seeing my channel for the first time, what I want you to do for me is to like this video. When you like this video, subscribe to my channel. When you subscribe to my channel, turn on the bell notification. Turn on the bell notification so that whenever I'm giving out a valuable video like this, you'll be among the first person to watch. So quickly, I will be discussing very important topics related to stock today. We shall be looking at the best performing stocks in Nigeria. Winner so far. Best performing stocks in Nigeria. Winner so far. That is, out of the Nigerian stock market, we have identified about 10 most performing stocks in Nigeria. Nigerian stock market in 2025 has been nothing short of exposure. While inflations and currency devaluation continue, most of investors move to stocks investment in order to edge out inflation and the devaluation of Naira, and they really cash out. They really cash out from these top performing stocks in the year 2025, at least from year to date. I'll be giving you these 10 stocks. Nigerian stock shares index has moved over 30% this year alone, led by strong performance in the consumer sectors, in the industrial sectors, banking sectors, and energy sectors. So it's a very good one that, why I just feel I should review this past performance, the best performance stocks in Nigeria, just for you, my viewer to see out of them which one they have in their portfolio, which one, is an avenue, is an eye opener. But you too, you have to do your own research to be much more convinced, so that you look at the liquidity aspects of those investments. But let us quickly look at these 10 scenarios. The first one is Better Glass. Better Glass move up by 414%. That is, if you have invested 100,000 naira in January, your money will have grown up to 414,000 naira. The price moved from 64 naira to the current price of 486 naira in the first half of the year 2025 with strong financial reports. So it's an avenue. Better Glass, I think if you don't have, you can look at that and do your own research for you to be able to take your own decision. Number 2 is Honeywell. Honeywell flour mix move up by 249%. This indicates that if you have invested 100,000 naira in January, as at today, your money will have been very close to 250,000 naira. Look as if you have put 1 million naira in this kind of stocks. Look at what you will have gained. So this is one of the top performance stocks, in Nigeria, and this was as a result of their, they are in the foods, consumer food sectors, and then because of the Nigerian population and because of the Nigerian love all this pasta, all these the flour foods, flour making foods. So it has been, and they declare a good profit. So it's an opener. It's an eye opener. So you can quickly look at this kind of investment, in stocks, Nigerian stocks, and create wealth for yourself. A lot of investors have cashed out from this kind of investment. Then number 3 is the Initiates PLC. They are into waste and transportation, waste management, and environmental waste management. They are fast growing. It's a very growing niche. This company, this price of this company surged by 230%. 230% this year alone. 230%. So it's a very good one. The price moved from 2.55 naira around January. It has gone to 14 naira 60 kobo as at today, as at yesterday. So it's a very good one. Initiates PLC. You can quickly, even there was a time I placed order on this particular stock. I was unable to buy because a lot of people are demanding for this kind of stock. So that's the avenue. If you If you place order for a particular stocks and you cannot get it by, that shows that stock is doing well in the market, and people are holding. They are not sell. That is what it means. Then we move to this company. It's a very small company, but with higher retail investors activities. The Product Nigerian Smart, the Smart Product Nigeria PLC. The price moved from 20 kobo to 75, 70 kobo as of today. And this company moved by 185% increase. That is, if you have invested 1,000 naira in that is Smart Products Nigeria in January, your current price will have been running to close to 190,000 naira. So it's an avenue, but when it comes to liquidity, it has not been tested because there are some stocks, the price might move, but when you invested for a long time. For long time, you have the long time horizon because you cannot use it to trade because it might be difficult at times. The liquidity might not be but at least they move up from it's one of the top performance stocks in the year 2025. Then number 5 is Northern Nigerian Flour Mills. Northern Nigerian Flour Mills. This move up by about 185%. Is into agriculture exposure. Rising food prices drove the growth in this kind of company. Northern Nigerian Flour Mills. In fact, any company that are into food, production of foods, they are very good company. In the type of Bua Food, in the like of Honeywell, in the like of Northern Flour Mills. So this is an avenue. If you don't have it in your portfolio, you can quickly take position and put sizable amount into this kind of stock. But do your own diligence, be convinced by yourself, do your fundamental analysis so that you convince that before you put in your fund into this kind of investment. But I think we are recommending, even most of the stock brokers, they recommend it as, buy. So we move to Chelarams. Chelarams move by 300%. Chelarams move by 300%. They are into selling of and distribution of products in Nigeria, bottles, beers, and whatever. Chelarams has been a very good one. The price rose from 3 naira 70 kobo to the current price of about 16 naira 25 kobo. If you have invested 100,000 naira in this kind of stock as a January, stock can make you crazy millionaire. I'm telling you, if you invested 100,000 naira in this kind of stocks, by now you will have gotten up to 300,000 naira. That is if you put 1,000 million. That means, look at if you are now put 1 million naira. Look at that margin. Look at that margin of capital gain. That is what we have done. It's one of the top and highest performance stocks in the year 2025. Then we move to number 7, which is Champion Breweries. Champion Breweries has been making profit among the breweries in the stock listed on the stock of exchange. Champion Breweries move up by 260.89%. The price moved from 3 naira around January to 13 naira 75 kobo. It's a very good one. Champion Breweries is a very good one. You can look at it. Look at their fundamentals. You can check their financial performances for the year, especially for the first half of the year. They make a lot of money. They make profits. So it's an avenue. It's a very good one. It's one of the top performance stocks in Nigeria. Then we move to number 8. Number 8, Mutual Benefit Assurance. Mutual Benefit Assurance, the price is the second highest capital gains in price in Nigeria. This Mutual Benefit, the price as of January was 66 kobo, 61 kobo. The price as of January was 61 kobo. As of today, the price have gotten up to 4 naira. And the percentage increase is 527%. That means if you have put 1 million naira, 100,000 naira as a January into this kind of stocks, and you have bought at that rate, look at that margin. The money will have run to up to 520 something thousand. That is the beauty of this kind of stocks. The stock moved from 61 naira to 41. The stock is the second best price movement in the year 2025. Then we move to number 9, which is UPDC. It's one of the real estate investment trust stocks that you can put your money if you don't want to invest directly in oil properties in Nigeria. You can invest in UPDC, which is a real estate investment trust stock. You know, it's like they are listed on the stock of exchange. This company move up by 315% this year alone. It's one of the top performance stocks in the year 2025. You know, the price moved from 1 naira 55 kobo as at January as is to 6 naira 61 kobo as at now. One time this year, the price even moved to 9 naira. So UPDC is an avenue for you to be able to, you know, you can still put your money, do your research, do your analysis very well, you know. So before you go into this kind of investment, but I can assure you, this UPDC is a stock to watch. So if you don't have it in your portfolio, I think you might consider it, you know, in your portfolio. Then the last one is Ella Lakes. Ella Lakes, the company is into fish farming company. The price surged by 289%, 24 kobo. The price moved from 3 naira 60 kobo to about 13 naira 90 kobo. In fact, the current price of the stock is 13 naira 90 kobo as at yesterday. So it's a very good company. Ella Lakes is not a well-known company. They are still moving up. At least you can put a sizable amount on stocks, you know, invest sizable amount in this company and see how you create wealth for you. So these are 10 best performance stock in the year 2025. I want you to look at how many of them do you have in your portfolio. Like me, I have some of them in my portfolio, like Better Glass. I have Champion Breweries. I have Honeywell. That is, I think I have only, then I have UPDC, but I have little amount of UPDC. So these are stocks, you know, that have created wealth that for an investor. Investors have used these stocks to cash out this year. If you don't have any of these stocks, look at them critically, do your own analysis, and then put a sizable amount into this kind of stocks and create wealth for yourself. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, what I just want you to do for me is to like this video, because when you like this video, you are helping our channel so that a lot of people will be able to see this video. YouTube Organic will be able to share it to so many people so that they will be able to abreast of this valuable information. At the same time, subscribe to my channel. When you subscribe to my channel, turn on the bell notification so that whenever I'm giving out a valuable video like this, you'll be among the first person to watch. Thank you for watching this video to the end and for subscribing to my channel and by liking my video. Thank you very much. God bless you.